He came to save. Amen. We are the only Bible that some people read. People watch us, and they'll know whether or not we have God's grace on us. Amen. They'll know whether or not we have faith in God's grace. Amen. Because you'll be free. That means it's freely given. For the Lord is a sun and a shield. What else do you need? If God is on our side, what else do we need? Amen. He's a sun and a shield, and the Lord will give grace, and He'll give you grace and glory. That means you don't need man's glory. I don't need the appreciation of man, to enjoy my life. I enjoy my life because God has given it to me, and He's my sun and my shield. No good thing that I will ever need will God withhold from me. Amen. So it's freely given to us. You don't have to pay for it. Oh my God, Jesus. There are places, denominations, churches, people, they make people think that they have to pay for God's help. You don't have to pay $39.95 for a prayer, for somebody to pray for you. When you ask me to pray, do I ever ask you to pray, to pay me first? Click on the donate button and I'll pray for you. No, never. Amen. It's freely given. We don't have to pay God anything. Amen. And the next one, I'll read one of these. I have a couple, as you can see, for empowers man for service. New Testament, 1 Corinthians 3:10 in the back. I'll go to 1 Cor 3:10 in the back. It empowers us for service. Next one, read that one.
According to the grace of God which is given unto me, as a wise master builder, I have laid the foundation, and another buildeth thereon.